This is Learn English with Ease.
English made powerful, simple, and yours.
Hey, Emma, can I ask you something?
Of course, Jack. What's on your mind?
Have you ever noticed that some people can understand English perfectly, but when it's time to speak, they just freeze?
Oh, absolutely. That's so common, especially for shy learners. It's like the brain knows the words, but the mouth refuses to cooperate.
Exactly. And I think shyness is one of the biggest barriers to speaking English naturally.
Totally. But here's the thing. Shyness doesn't mean you can't speak English. It just means you need the right strategies and mindset.
That's what we're talking about today. How to speak English naturally even if you're shy.
Yes. And we'll also practice small, practical exercises that make speaking feel easier and more confident.
Let's start with the first tip. Accept that it's okay to make mistakes.
Oh yes, Jack. Shy learners often stay quiet because they fear making mistakes. But mistakes are part of learning.
Exactly. Instead of thinking, I can't speak because I'll mess up, try thinking, I'm learning, and it's okay to make small errors.
Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. It's natural.
Tip number 2, start speaking in small steps.
Yes. Don't try to speak perfectly in long sentences right away. Start with short, simple phrases.
Like saying, hi, how are you? Or I like this instead of long, complex sentences.
And gradually, you can expand your sentences naturally as your confidence grows.
Tip 3, practice speaking aloud when you're alone.
This is so powerful. Just talking to yourself in English helps your brain and mouth coordinate.
Exactly. You can describe your day, what you see around you, or even read aloud from a book.
Tip 4, focus on ideas, not perfection.
Yes. When shy learners overthink grammar or pronunciation, they freeze. But if you focus on expressing your ideas, the English will follow naturally. Right? It's about communication first, grammar second. Jack, tip 5, use your body and voice.
Absolutely. Gestures, tone, and facial expressions help express meaning and reduce shyness.
When you add natural gestures, your English doesn't just sound better. It feels more confident, too.
Now let's practice all these tips in a mini conversation. Imagine we're meeting for the first time.
Hi, Emma. How's your day going?
Hi, Jack. It's going well, thank you. How about yours?
I'm good, thanks. I just tried a new coffee place nearby.
Oh, really? How was it?
It was amazing. The cappuccino was delicious.
That sounds great. I love coffee too.
See? Short, simple sentences. No stress, no perfection. Just natural English.
And we added gestures and expressions to make it feel more confident.
Exactly. Tip 6, practice with a friend or online partner.
Yes, speaking with someone else makes English real. You get feedback, and it feels like a conversation rather than a lesson.
Tip 7, record yourself speaking.
This is amazing for shy learners. You can hear yourself, notice small mistakes, and celebrate improvements.
Tip 8, repeat phrases you hear in movies or podcasts.
Mimicking real English helps you sound natural and slowly builds confidence.
Tip 9, set small speaking goals.
Yes, like speaking English for 1 minute a day, then 2, then 5. Small wins reduce shyness.
Tip 10, positive mindset and self-encouragement.
Absolutely. Tell yourself, I can do this before speaking. Even shy learners can sound natural with the right mindset.
All right, listeners, here's your challenge for this week. Speak English for at least 5 minutes every day, even if it's just to yourself.
Absolutely. Tell yourself, I can do this before speaking. Even shy learners can sound natural with the right mindset. Remember, small steps lead to big results. Shyness doesn't disappear overnight, but practicing naturally builds confidence.
And don't forget, making mistakes is okay. It's proof that you're learning.
That's it for today, everyone. Keep practicing, stay confident, and speak English naturally, even if you're shy.
Bye, everyone, and remember, your English can be natural, confident, and totally you.
Bye. Keep shining and speaking English with ease.